Hello everyone, JohnnyThunderEAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 2 outlook. Sorry I'm a little late, but I was monitoring some storms earlier, so, in my region, so, and it does seem like that we're on a break right now from storms, so, before the next round shows up, so, I figured do the video. Hopefully I don't get interrupted by my weather radios when I'm doing these videos. First off, I am filling in for SBC Convective Outlooks while he is busy at his grandparents'. So, we have a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses a tiny bit of southeastern New York, all of New Jersey, eastern and southeastern Pennsylvania, including my area, most of Delaware, most of Maryland, Washington, D.C., a tiny bit of the panhandle of West Virginia, and north central Virginia. Cities in tomorrow's slate include New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., and Newark, New Jersey. And we have 3 marginals tomorrow, one covering south central Maine, most of New Hampshire, most of Vermont, all of Massachusetts, all of Rhode Island, all of Connecticut, most of New York State, including Long Island, parts of Pennsylvania, far southeastern Delaware, the panhandle of Maryland, southeastern Maryland, pretty much all of West Virginia, parts of Virginia, far southeastern Ohio, eastern Kentucky, I think I mentioned parts of Virginia, most of North Carolina, northwestern South Carolina, eastern Tennessee, eastern Kentucky, northern Georgia, most of Alabama, most of Mississippi, and parts of far eastern Louisiana. A second marginal tomorrow encompasses southwestern South Dakota, parts of Nebraska, and the far northeastern corner of Colorado. And the third marginal tomorrow encompasses southwestern Montana, northwestern Wyoming, southeastern Idaho, northwestern Utah, and northeastern Nevada. Cities in tomorrow's marginals include Charlotte, North Carolina, Boston, Massachusetts, Virginia Beach, Virginia, Atlanta, Georgia, and Raleigh, North Carolina. Going to the tornado threat for tomorrow. There is no tornado threat. For tomorrow. Thank God. Going to the wind threat for tomorrow. There is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow. That encompasses a tiny bit of southeastern New York, most of New Jersey, southeastern Pennsylvania, including my area, most of Delaware, most of Maryland, Washington, D.C., a tiny bit of the panhandle of West Virginia, I think I mentioned Washington, D.C. too, and north central Virginia. The 15% wind risk area tomorrow includes New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., and Newark, New Jersey. And there are 3 areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow. One covering south central Maine, most of New Hampshire, most of Vermont, all of Massachusetts, all of Rhode Island, all of Connecticut, most of New York State, including Long Island, far southeastern Delaware, parts of Pennsylvania, southeastern Maryland, the panhandle of Maryland, parts of Virginia, all of West Virginia, far southeastern Ohio, eastern Kentucky, most of North Carolina, northwestern South Carolina, eastern Tennessee, northern half of Georgia, most of Alabama, most of Mississippi, and the far eastern parts of Louisiana. A second 5% wind risk area tomorrow encompasses southwestern South Dakota and northwestern Nebraska. And the third 5% wind risk area tomorrow encompasses southwestern Montana, northwestern Wyoming, southeastern Idaho, northwestern Utah, and northeastern Nevada. The 5% wind risk areas tomorrow include Charlotte, North Carolina, Boston, Massachusetts, Virginia Beach, Virginia, Atlanta, Georgia. Why'd you do that? and the 5% wind risk also encompasses Raleigh, North Carolina. Going to the hail threat for tomorrow, there is a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. That encompasses southwestern South Dakota, western and northwestern Nebraska, and the far northeastern corner of Colorado. Cities in the 5% hail risk area tomorrow include Rapid City, South Dakota, North Platte, Nebraska, and Rapid Valley, South Dakota. So, in summary, scattered strong to severe storms are possible across parts of the Mid-Atlantic into the Northeast on Tuesday afternoon and evening. An isolated severe storm may also occur over parts of the Central High Plains. So, that's the day-to outlook. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, even in the marginal, because sometimes marginal can produce some pretty strong storms, and that's been the case so far with today's marginal in the Mid-Atlantic. So, but especially be safe in the slight tomorrow, and I will go over all of this again tomorrow morning. Take care.